Welcome to my channel, XChange Review Video. In the fast-paced world of online entrepreneurship, finding the right tools can be tough. Enter XChange. It promises to revolutionize how solopreneurs monetize their passions and build communities. With innovative features, XChange simplifies content creation, boosts audience engagement, and scales businesses. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. What is XChange? XChange empowers solopreneurs to monetize passions and grow online. With advanced AI, it simplifies content creation, offers insights, and fosters loyal communities, revolutionizing online presence. XChange offers AI-powered content creation, effortlessly create high-quality articles, and social media posts with AI technology. Niche domination strategies, access proven tactics to establish authority in your niche and build a dedicated following. Scalability, efficiently scale your business with productivity-maximizing tools. Freedom and flexibility, reclaim your time and live life on your terms with the freedom of successful online ventures. How it works. XChange features a user-friendly interface suitable for all skill levels. Upon registration, users are led through intuitive modules and tutorials, acquainting them with the platform's capabilities. With XChange's AI-driven tools, users can effortlessly create content, apply niche domination strategies, and monitor progress towards their business objectives. XChange. Advantages and drawbacks. Advantages: intuitive user interface, robust AI-powered content creation tools, extensive niche domination strategies, scalability and adaptability. Drawbacks: limited customization options for advanced users, initial learning curve for newcomers. Who should utilize it? XChange caters perfectly to solopreneurs driven by passion in their respective niches, aiming to become authorities in their fields. Whether you're a content creator, influencer, or budding entrepreneur, XChange provides indispensable resources and support to thrive in the online business landscape. Frequently asked questions. What's this all about? This ebook is all about mastering X to accelerate channel growth and maximize audience engagement. It offers insights, strategies, and practical tips tailored specifically for creators looking to leverage the power of X. Who is this for? This ebook is ideal for creators with fewer than 10-0K subscribers, or just beginners who are eager to expand their reach and engagement on X. It's for those who want to explore the potential of X as a tool for rapid channel growth and audience connection. Frequently asked questions. How do I get instant access? Click the button below now. How is this guide delivered? You'll get instant access to a version of this guide along with download links for the rest of the bonuses. There's no waiting. You can get started right now. How much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching, but you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. Frequently asked questions. What if I have other questions? You can ask us your product-related questions as well as anything about our company. To get your answer and access details, click the description link below.